Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 best manual treadmills for running that are available on the market right now. Whether you're looking to stay fit at home, save on gym memberships, or just want a reliable treadmill for your running and walking needs, we've got you covered. You can find links to all the products in the description below. Without further ado, let's get started. Starting off our list at number 5 is the Kids Exercise Equipment Collection by Hey Play. This is a fantastic, colorful treadmill designed specifically for kids aged 3 to 7. While it might not be suitable for adults or serious runners, it's a great way to introduce children to fitness early and keep them active, even on rainy days. It's powered manually, no motors involved, and comes with an LED display to track exercise time. The build quality is surprisingly sturdy for a kid's product, featuring a powder-coated alloy steel frame that can support up to 150 pounds. The foam-padded rails and fun footprint designs on the walking pad make it engaging and safe for little ones. Plus, the treadmill automatically powers off after 10 minutes of inactivity, which is a smart feature for energy savings and safety. However, keep in mind that it requires 2 AA batteries for the display, which aren't included. This treadmill is ideal for families who want to encourage healthy habits from a young age. While it's not designed for adult use, it's a perfect addition to a kid's indoor play gym. The main downside is its limited functionality, making it more of a toy than a serious piece of exercise equipment. But for its price and purpose, it's a solid option. Pros: affordable, great for kids, and safe. Cons: not suitable for adults or high-performance workouts. At number 4, we have the WellFit Walking Pad Treadmill with a 10% incline. This compact and portable treadmill is perfect for anyone working from home or in smaller spaces. With its ultra-slim design, standing at just 3.6 inches tall, it can easily slide under a desk, bed, or sofa when not in use. This is a walking pad, so the maximum speed is 4 miles per hour, making it ideal for light jogging or walking. The 2.5 high-performance motor is quiet and efficient, operating at under 45 decibels, so it won't disturb your household or coworkers. The treadmill also comes with 3 incline options, allowing you to add variety to your workouts and target different muscle groups. It's compatible with popular fitness apps like KinoMap and Apple Health, so you can track your progress and customize your training plans. While it's not designed for intense running, this treadmill is excellent for low-impact workouts and improving bone strength and muscle tone. The main drawbacks are the limited speed and a lower weight capacity of 265 pounds, so it may not suit everyone. Pros: compact, app compatibility, and incline options. Cons: limited speed and weight capacity. Coming in at number 3 is the WellFit Walking Pad with handlebar. This upgraded walking pad offers a similar design to the previous product, but with added functionality thanks to the handlebar for extra stability. Like its counterpart, it's compact and lightweight, weighing just 29 pounds, making it easy to store and move around. One standout feature is the adjustable incline, which can go up to 10%. This allows you to simulate uphill walking, engaging your glutes and thighs more effectively. The treadmill operates quietly with its 2.5 horsepower motor, so you can use it in shared spaces without causing a disturbance. It also integrates with smart apps like KinoMap and Apple Health, providing a more interactive and data-driven fitness experience. This treadmill is ideal for users who want a lightweight, space-saving treadmill with a bit more versatility. While its top speed is limited to 4 mph, it's a great option for walking and light jogging. Pros: stable handlebar, incline options, and app compatibility. Cons: limited speed and not suitable for intense running or heavier users. At number 2, we have the WellFit Treadmill for Home, a heavy-duty option for those looking for a more robust treadmill. Featuring a powerful 4.0 HP motor, this treadmill supports speeds up to 10 mph and a weight capacity of 450 pounds, making it suitable for a wide range of users. Whether you're walking, jogging, or running, this treadmill offers excellent performance. The running area is spacious at 45 by 20 inches, and the 5-layer non-slip running belt provides plenty of cushioning to protect your joints. It also features manual incline adjustments, allowing you to set it between 0% and 5% for a more challenging workout. The treadmill includes a large LED display and Bluetooth connectivity, so you can track your progress and even listen to music while you train. This treadmill is perfect for serious runners or anyone looking for a durable, high-capacity option. The only downside is that it's heavier and larger than the previous models, so it may not be suitable for small spaces. Pros: high capacity, powerful motor, and spacious running area. Cons: bulky and less portable. Finally, taking the top spot is the Cardi Run folding treadmill with Incline. This treadmill strikes the perfect balance between performance, features, and affordability. With a 3.0 HP motor, it supports speeds up to 7.6 miles per hour and has a weight capacity of 350 pounds, making it a versatile option for walking, jogging, and running. What sets this treadmill apart is its thoughtful design. It features a spacious 16 by 40-inch running belt with an advanced shock absorption system to protect your joints. The incline can be adjusted manually up to 6%, adding variety to your workouts. The treadmill also includes an LED display, a built-in Bluetooth speaker, and app compatibility, allowing you to track your progress and enjoy your favorite tunes. This treadmill is ideal for home users who want premium features without breaking the bank. It's easy to assemble, folds away for storage, and operates quietly at under 45 decibels. The only limitation is its slightly smaller running area compared to the well-fit, heavy-duty model. Pros: great features, space-saving design, and excellent value. Cons: smaller running area for taller users. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful in choosing the right manual treadmill for your needs. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews. If you have any questions or want to share your thoughts, drop them in the comments below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next video.